So I just bought this heater last month, and my apartment is about 400 square feet. It's not like all that big. And also I keep like the doors to the other rooms closed. My furnace has a gas leak, so I can't use that anymore. So I bought this in replacement of it, and I love it. Alexa, turn the heater off. A little countdown that it does. Also, mine doesn't beep. Check this out. Alexa, turn the heater on. Just a tiny little click. Alexa, set the heater to 85 degrees Fahrenheit.
Auto set to 85.
No beep. So, I'm very happy. It puts out enough heat to warm my apartments. Wish I would turn it on a little earlier because it's freaking cold today, but yeah. There we go. And it's also like super quiet. My refrigerator is louder than this heater.
Hey Google, turn the space heater to 75 degrees.